So if you're a student and you're looking to make money online, then these three skills will help you make over $2,000 every month. Number one is web design. So with web design, you can be charging a client from $500 to over $5,000 depending on the type of project that you are doing. So if you're in Ghana, you can be charging a client over 2,000 Ghana cedis just creating a website. So with web design, you don't need to learn coding or anything. All you need to do is to learn WordPress with drag and drop builder like Elementor Page Builder. So I am a web designer in Ghana and I make over 10,000 Ghana cedis every month just designing clients' websites. So if you are a student and you want to take it serious as a side hustle, then make sure to learn web design, get a domain name and web hosting from iWaitMediaHost.com and start designing your website with WordPress. And you can make over 5,000 Ghana cedis every month just being a WordPress web designer. Number two on the list is graphic design. So with graphic design, you can use Canva or Photopea.com, which looks exactly like Photoshop. So there are millions of templates on Canva where you can use these templates to generate money by designing flyers, logos, and even videos. So with graphic design, you can use Canva to design a logo and charge a client over 200 cedis. There are so many logo designs which are already in Canva. You can use these templates to redesign a logo for clients and charge $10, $20, or even more. And the third one is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, all you need to do is to promote other people's products and services. Example includes ClickBank if you are in the US or outside Ghana. And if you are in Ghana or Nigeria, you can use Seller.co or StakeCart to promote other people's products. You can even promote Jumia or Amazon products and make money online with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure to follow this page and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on web design, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online.